Are you tired of eating the same oily, greasy food? Introducing the revolutionary Nutricook Air Fryer 3 Vision. Your ticket to a healthier and more convenient way of cooking. Say goodbye to traditional frying methods that soak your food in unhealthy oils and welcome a new era of guilt-free indulgence. Let's start by plugging the 16-ampere plug in the socket. Press the power button to start the air fryer. The Air Fryer 3 Vision offers 11 one-touch cooking programs, which includes 5 cooking programs and 6 preset functions. Let's start by understanding the first 5 cooking programs. First is the air fry function. This cooking program allows you to cook fries, sabu dana vada, patties, cutlet, nuggets, pani puris puri, etc. 2. The bake function can be used to bake cakes, cookies, cupcakes, muffins, naan khatais, pizzas, etc. 3. The roast function is perfect to roast chicken, paneer, fish, sweet potatoes, soya beans, almonds, etc. 4. Reheat function lets you warm up any type of food and leftovers efficiently. Reheating pizza is a breeze with this cooking function. 5. The Dehydrate function can be used for drying various foods, including fishes, fruits, avlas and raw mangoes, etc. By utilizing this function, you can effectively remove moisture from these ingredients, preserving their natural flavors and nutrients. Additionally, these 6 icons at the bottom represent specific cooking presets for particular dishes. Starting with fries, chicken, burgers, steak, fish, and samosas. If you want to make fries, all you have to do is press this fries button. It will automatically come up with a specified temperature and time. Just hit the start button to start the cooking process. Similar process can be used for chicken, burger, steak, fish and samosas. If you don't want to go with the preset settings, you can also manually adjust the temperature and time by pressing the up and down button in this way. The Air Fryer 3 Vision lets you save your favorite recipes with 3 favorite button settings so that you can set your own temperature and time. Let's set our first favorite button setting. Suppose you want to bake a pizza at a temperature of 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then you have to first click on the favorite one, then adjust temperature at 175 degrees Celsius and set the time to 15 minutes. Lastly, hit the Save button. The air fryer will give an indication with Saved written on it, and that's how you know your favorite recipe settings has been saved. Next time when you click on the favorite one button, you will get the same settings on it. It is always advisable to preheat your air fryer before making any recipe. Let's start by making fries. Click on the fries preset to start the process and hit start. Once the preheat process is done, the air fryer will make a beep sound. Open the basket and add the fries in the basket. Once you close the basket, the air fryer will start cooking the fries at a preset temperature of 180 degrees for a time duration of 17 minutes. The all-new clear window lets you experience the magic of seeing your food cook to perfection without opening the basket. The air fryer gives a shake reminder halfway through the cooking with a beep sound and shake reminder written on the cooking status indicator. Gently open the basket, shake the fries, and then close the basket. The Smart Temp technology automatically adjusts the temperature while cooking, which ensures perfectly cooked food every single time. The beep sound and the enjoy notification is here. That means your fries are ready. Now let's try baking a pizza. Press on the bake function to start the process and click on start button. As you can see, the air fryer automatically starts preheating at 3 minutes. Since the air fryer was already in use, the preheat process can be skipped by pressing the skip preheat button. Air Fryer 3 comes with a quiet cooking feature so that your time in the kitchen is peacefully when you want it to be. Your freshly baked pizza is ready. Let's make burger patty in a healthier way. Press the burger icon and click on start button. Once the preheat is done, add the burger patty in the basket. You can change the time and temperature according to your preferences. Voila! You can now have burger patty the guilt-free way. Do not keep anything on the air fryer. It is advisable to use the air fryer in an open space or else exhaust hot air could get trapped and damage the machine. Do not use plastic containers, steel vessels, butter paper, etc. While cleaning manually, do not use the hard side of the scrubber. Always use the soft side of the scrubber. Take your basket to the sink and place it under running water. Cleaning up is a breeze. The non-stick air fryer basket and cooking tray are dishwasher safe and incredibly easy to clean. Make every meal a masterpiece and every moment in the kitchen a joy with the Nutricook Air Fryer 3, your ultimate cooking companion.